Meaning of full cream.
Full cream.
Full cream.
Full cream.
Full cream. Full cream refers to dairy products that haven't had any of the fat content removed. This term is commonly used to describe milk, which can be whole milk or full cream milk. Full cream milk has a higher percentage of fat than reduced fat or skim milk, which results in a richer and creamier taste and texture. Full cream milk is often used in cooking and baking because of its fuller flavor and ability to create a denser consistency in recipes. However, it also contains more calories and saturated fat than lower fat milk products, so it should be consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet.